Welcome to our channel. Let's check your English with these 5 questions. And let us know your result in the comment section. What is the term for a word that has the opposite meaning of another word? A. Antonym. B. Synonym. C. Homonym. A. Antonym. Which punctuation mark is used to indicate a pause or break in a sentence? A. Period. B. Exclamation mark. C. Comma. C. Comma. What does the phrase, break the ice, mean? A. To break something. B. To make ice cubes. C. To start a conversation. C. To start a conversation. If someone is under the weather, how are they feeling? A. Excited. B. Sick. C. Energetic. B. Sick. Which word is spelled correctly? A. B. Or C. A. Definitely. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoy the video.